Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw projects from ClickUp Workspace with role management, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw projects from your ClickUp Workspace, log into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace where your projects are located. Ensure you have the appropriate role permissions to access and withdraw projects. Locate the project you wish to withdraw in the left sidebar. Click on the project to open its details view. In the project view, look for the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. Click on the three-dot icon to open the options menu. Select the withdraw option from the drop-down menu. A confirmation dialog may appear to verify your choice. Review the details in the confirmation dialog. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. The project will now be removed from the workspace. Monitor the activity log for any notifications regarding the withdrawal process. If needed, inform your team members about the withdrawal. Check your workspace to ensure the project no longer appears in the list. If you're managing multiple roles, double-check that the correct permissions are set for your team. Regularly review your role permissions to ensure smooth project management. Always keep your workspace organized by withdrawing completed or unnecessary projects efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.